So hey guys, welcome back to another amazing YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple AirPods to your Android device. Today we are going to be using a Samsung Galaxy S9 in order to pair it. So the first thing we're going to do is to connect AirPods to your Android phone is we're going to swipe down from the top of the screen, go to Bluetooth and hold down on Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is off, like it is over here right now, just go ahead and turn it on. Now the next thing you need to do is look at the back of the AirPod case, and on the bottom you'll see a little round circle. That's a button. So what you can do is keep your finger on the button, holding it, and open up the case and hold down that button until you see the light blinking. Now when the light is blinking, go to your phone, and if you don't see it, click scan. And now once it finds the AirPods, you click on AirPods. It'll say pairing. And it'll ask if you really want to connect with Bluetooth. Click OK. And now your AirPods have been connected for calls and audio. Take the AirPods out. I'm just going to take one out at this point. Put that aside, and anything you play from your phone will be coming out of the AirPods. And you also have the option to use the AirPods only for calls or only for any other audio. What you do is you go to your Bluetooth settings and click on the settings icons next to AirPods. And over there you could turn on or turn off the audio coming out of the AirPods just for calls or just for any other audio. And on the bottom of these settings you could also click on pair to unpair the device with the AirPods, or you could also rename the device of this AirPods in case maybe you have more than one AirPod. Thank you so much for watching how to connect your AirPods to your Android device. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and do everything else you do on YouTube. Thank you so much and have a great day.